Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering how to change your KakaoTalk password, you have come to the right place. Whether you need a fresh password for security reason or just want to update it, we will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up your Kakao app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap onto the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the setting page. Now tap onto the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now in the setting menu, tap onto the manage option. Then again tap onto the manage Kakao account option. Tap onto the reset password option. Now to change your password, you will need to enter your current password. Next, you will be asked to set a new password. Make sure it's something secured, just a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your new password and then confirm it. Once you have confirmed your new password, tap on to the save or OK to complete the process. And that's it. Your KakaoTalk password has been successfully changed. See, changing your password on KakaoTalk is quick and easy. If you ever forget your password, you can also reset it through the Forget Password option. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.